Forgot to show you the HUD release thing. That's what it looks like. You flip that metal tab thing upwards with whatever, dentist thing, tin screwdriver, whatever. And then you get a wee screwdriver, right side. Put it there, twist it aside so it can open upwards and then pull out. I had a job getting that one out. Turns out the metal one was like stuck to the thread. So yeah, needs removing very carefully. Push it outwards. So actually it's a J clip. So you've pinched that one inwards. Same with all the four of them, just pinch them. That is absolute bullshit. Fucking rung off. 3 of them anyways. Bastards. This one probably go as well. No. That's what I was fighting for. So, I might need to replace just the screws itself with those inserts. They're just rotten with the rust. I was going to do the bottom ones, but the bumper's already given way. Fucking dogs. Anyways, whatever sort of fuckery's going on, I'm going to cut the wires and then I can crimp a new bullet connectors before I put the bumper back on. So, fucking cowboys. When I had this car, there was no screw there. Bumpers were hanging off its sides. Yeah, that's all that was securing it. So, that came from there. So, one from there, one from there. I think there's one down there. And so on. 5 screws. And then, comes off. So, a little bit overkill. I like those tool sets, Draper ones. They're not in order, but I don't give a shit as long as they're all there. Overkill. Nice big radiator. So, missing screw there. I think there's 2 down the bottom. 1, 2, 3, and then that's already taken out. I need to whack that one out. That comes out, front of it pulls out. Perfect. So basically going to have to go to my mates to buy a lot of bolts. Bolt shopping! Part taken out nice and easily. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Supposed to be 6. Whatever. She's out. Handy pandy. Red wire, black wire, red wire, black wire. They can be crimped on. I think I have to take all that shit off. Not gonna lie, don't know what I'm doing. So I took that one off, that one off. I'm going to take this extra bit one off. Pulling all this out, the headlight is attached to this anyways, so they all come out. Seems to have refused to come out, so I might grind it off. Fuck it, I'll take the light unit off and look underneath it. Also figure out what this hole is for. What? So 3 screws, 1, 2, and whoosh, 3 down the hole. And the light comes out, bar the connectors. Ain't that a beauty? So just going to take that screw off and whatever else. Sorry guys, time is up now. Whatever you do, do not close up on it. Can't wait to move to another fucking country. Shithole, 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 shithole. Heil Hitler. Hello cutie. Hello. Hiya! Mold everywhere. Holy moly moly. Mold. Not all cowboys wear hats. Also, I found a spanner from down there. I got a free spanner. Actually, it's not coming out easy, and I gotta pull the gearbox out. Yeah. All that's holding there is the hose. Hose down there. Hose down there. And I can get my hands to service this timing belt. I usually use a cutout can to drain the oil, but I bought a new drain can. Coolant is bad for the environment, ma'am. Well, I'll be damned. Look at all the piss. Stay tuned to Cowboy Garage. Yee-haw! Well, that is a lot of peels. Better aid this now, I think. Oh, just tight. Oh, so tight. Oh, yeah, tight. Get out. Oh, yes. There you go. Nice. Tight. Somebody told me that it's gonna take me forever to do the car. Like, you're dead right!